Exobiology, also known as astrobiology, is a fascinating field of science that explores the possibility of life beyond Earth. It encompasses the study of the origin, evolution, distribution, and future of life in the universe. Exobiology seeks to answer one of the most profound questions: are we alone in the cosmos? The term exobiology is derived from the Greek words exo, meaning outside, and bio, meaning life. It reflects the interdisciplinary nature of the field, drawing upon biology, chemistry, physics, astronomy, and geology. One of the key aspects of exobiology is the search for biosignatures, which are substances or phenomena that provide evidence of past or present life. These could include organic molecules, microbial fossils, or atmospheric compositions that suggest biological activity. Exobiologists study extreme environments on Earth, such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents, polar regions, and acidic lakes, to understand the limits of life and to inform the search for life on other planets. The discovery of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, has expanded our understanding of where life could exist beyond Earth. Exobiology also considers the potential for life on moons in our solar system, such as Europa and Enceladus, which have subsurface oceans that may harbor microbial life. By studying the conditions that support life on Earth and exploring the diverse environments of our solar system and beyond, exobiologists are pushing the boundaries of our understanding of life in the universe. The history of exobiology is a tale of curiosity, imagination, and scientific exploration that spans centuries. The quest to understand the potential for life beyond Earth has captivated the minds of scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike. The roots of exobiology can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where myths and legends often depicted beings from other worlds. However, it was not until the 19th century that the scientific study of extraterrestrial life began to take shape. In 1859, the publication of Charles Darwin's On the Origin of Species revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth and sparked new questions about the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. The concept of exobiology gained further momentum in the early 20th century with the work of scientists such as Svante Arrhenius, who proposed the idea of panspermia, the theory that life could be distributed throughout the universe by cosmic forces. The development of space exploration in the mid-20th century provided new opportunities to search for extraterrestrial life. The launch of Sputnik in 1957 marked the beginning of the space age and opened up a new frontier for exobiologists. In 1976, NASA's Viking missions to Mars captured the world's attention with their search for signs of life on the Red Planet. While the results were inconclusive, they laid the groundwork for future missions to Mars and beyond. The discovery of extremophiles on Earth in the 1970s and 1980s expanded the possibilities for where life could exist in the universe. Organisms that thrive in extreme environments, such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents and acidic lakes, challenged our traditional notions of habitability. The 21st century has seen a surge in exobiology research, fueled by advances in technology and the discovery of thousands of exoplanets beyond our solar system. The search for biosignatures, the study of potential habitable environments, and the exploration of icy moons in our own solar system are all pushing the boundaries of exobiology. As we look to the future, exobiologists continue to ask the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? The search for extraterrestrial life is a complex and multifaceted endeavor that involves a variety of methods and technologies. One of the primary methods used in the search for life beyond Earth is the detection of biosignatures, which are substances or phenomena that provide evidence of past or present life. Biosignatures can take many forms, including organic molecules, isotopic ratios, and complex structures that are indicative of biological activity. Scientists study these biosignatures to determine the potential habitability of a planet or moon. Another key method in the search for extraterrestrial life is the exploration of extreme environments on Earth that mimic conditions found elsewhere in the solar system. By studying organisms that thrive in extreme conditions known as extremophiles, scientists can better understand the limits of life and where it might exist beyond Earth. The study of extremophiles has led to the discovery of life in some of the harshest environments on our planet, such as deep-sea hydrothermal vents, acidic lakes, and Antarctic ice. These findings have expanded our understanding of where life could potentially exist in the universe. In addition to studying biosignatures and extremophiles, scientists also search for habitable environments in our own solar system and beyond. One of the most promising targets for the search for extraterrestrial life is Mars. Multiple missions to the Red Planet, including the Mars rovers and the upcoming Mars Sample Return mission, are focused on studying the planet's geology, atmosphere, and potential for past or present life. The discovery of liquid water beneath the surface of Mars and the detection of methane in its atmosphere have raised intriguing possibilities for the existence of microbial life. Beyond Mars, icy moons such as Europa and Enceladus are also prime targets for the search for extraterrestrial life. These moons have subsurface oceans that could potentially harbor microbial life, and future missions, such as NASA's Europa Clipper and ESA's JUICE mission, aim to explore these environments in more detail. In addition to exploring our own solar system, scientists are also searching for exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars that may be capable of supporting life. The Kepler Space Telescope and other observatories have discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which are located in the habitable zone of their host stars. The upcoming James Webb Space Telescope will further expand our ability to study the atmospheres of exoplanets and search for signs of life. Overall, the search for extraterrestrial life is a dynamic and evolving field that combines cutting-edge technology, interdisciplinary collaboration, and a sense of wonder about the possibilities of life beyond Earth. The field of exobiology has been propelled forward by a series of groundbreaking missions and discoveries that have expanded our understanding of the potential for life beyond Earth. One of the most notable missions in exobiology history is NASA's Viking program, which sent 2 landers to Mars in 1976. The Viking landers conducted experiments to search for signs of microbial life on the Red Planet, including testing for the presence of organic molecules and metabolic activity. While the results were inconclusive at the time, the Viking missions laid the foundation for future exploration of Mars. In recent years, the Curiosity rover has made significant discoveries on Mars, including evidence of ancient lakes and organic molecules that suggest the planet was once habitable. Another key mission in exobiology is the Cassini-Huygens mission to Saturn and its moon Titan. The Cassini spacecraft provided valuable insights into the chemistry of Titan's atmosphere and surface, revealing a world with lakes of liquid methane and ethane. The Huygens probe descended to Titan's surface in 2005, capturing images of a landscape that resembles Earth in some ways, despite its extreme cold and alien chemistry. The discovery of complex organic molecules on Titan has raised intriguing questions about the potential for life in its methane-rich environment. In addition to missions within our solar system, exobiologists have also made significant discoveries beyond our cosmic neighborhood. The Kepler Space Telescope, launched in 2009, revolutionized the search for exoplanets by discovering thousands of worlds orbiting other stars. Kepler's observations have revealed a diverse array of planetary systems, including rocky planets in the habitable zones of their host stars. One of the most exciting exoplanet discoveries to date is Proxima b, a rocky planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun. Proxima b lies within its star's habitable zone, making it a prime target for future studies of its potential for life. These missions and discoveries in exobiology have reshaped our understanding of the cosmos and fueled our curiosity about the possibility of life beyond Earth. The search for life beyond Earth is a daunting challenge that is fraught with complexities and uncertainties. One of the primary challenges in finding extraterrestrial life is the vastness of the universe itself. With billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars and planets, the sheer scale of the cosmos makes the search for life a needle-in-a-haystack endeavor. The distances involved in space exploration present another significant challenge. Even with our most advanced spacecraft and telescopes, reaching and studying distant exoplanets is a monumental task. The nearest star system to our own, Alpha Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. making direct exploration a distant dream. Another challenge in the search for extraterrestrial life is the limitations of our current technology. While we have made tremendous strides in space exploration, our instruments and methods are still evolving. Detecting biosignatures, such as complex organic molecules or atmospheric compositions indicative of life, requires sophisticated technology that is constantly being refined. The environments in which we expect to find extraterrestrial life also pose challenges. Planets and moons in our solar system and beyond may have extreme conditions such as high radiation levels, extreme temperatures, or toxic atmospheres that make it difficult for life to thrive. Identifying habitable environments and understanding how life could adapt to such harsh conditions are ongoing challenges for exobiologists. Additionally, the nature of life itself presents a challenge in the search for extraterrestrial organisms. While we have a good understanding of life as we know it on Earth, the possibility of alternative forms of life based on different biochemistries or structures adds a layer of complexity to the search. Scientists must remain open-minded and flexible in their definitions of life to ensure that they do not overlook potential extraterrestrial organisms. Despite these challenges, the search for life beyond Earth continues to inspire scientists and the public alike, driving us to push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology in the quest to answer one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? The future of exobiology holds exciting possibilities for new discoveries and missions that could revolutionize our understanding of life beyond Earth. One of the most anticipated missions is NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper, set to launch in the mid-2020s. This mission will explore Jupiter's moon Europa, which is believed to have a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. Europa Clipper will study the moon's surface features, composition, and potential for habitability, with the goal of determining if Europa could harbor microbial life. Another mission on the horizon is NASA's Dragonfly mission to Saturn's moon Titan, scheduled to launch in the mid-2020s. Dragonfly will be a rotorcraft lander that will explore Titan's diverse terrain, including its methane lakes and dunes, to search for signs of organic molecules and potential biosignatures. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in late 2021, will also play a crucial role in the search for exoplanets and the study of their atmospheres. By analyzing the light passing through exoplanet atmospheres, scientists hope to detect signatures of life, such as oxygen, methane, and water vapor. The European Space Agency's JUICE mission to Jupiter's moon Ganymede, launching in 2022, will investigate the moon's subsurface ocean and potential habitability. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system and is believed to have a liquid water ocean beneath its icy crust. The search for exoplanets will continue with missions such as the Plato mission, which will study thousands of exoplanet systems to identify potentially habitable worlds. The search for technosignatures, signs of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations, is also gaining momentum, with projects like the Breakthrough Listen initiative, which scans the skies for signals of intelligent life. As technology advances and our understanding of the cosmos deepens, the potential for future discoveries in exobiology is limitless, offering tantalizing prospects for finding life beyond Earth and unraveling the mysteries of the universe. Ethical considerations in exobiology are paramount as we explore the potential for life beyond Earth. One key ethical concern is the risk of contaminating other worlds with Earth microbes during space missions, which could compromise our ability to detect native extraterrestrial life. Another ethical dilemma is the potential impact of discovering extraterrestrial life on our own societal and religious beliefs. Questions of how to responsibly communicate with alien civilizations, if they exist, also raise ethical concerns. Additionally, the implications of finding intelligent extraterrestrial life, such as the need for protocols on interaction and potential cultural exchange, require careful consideration in the field of exobiology. In conclusion, exobiology offers a fascinating journey into the unknown realms of the universe. From the historic Viking missions to the upcoming Europa Clipper and Dragonfly missions, our quest for extraterrestrial life continues to push the boundaries of science and technology. Ethical considerations, such as planetary protection and societal impacts, remind us of the importance of responsible exploration. As we look to the future, the potential for new discoveries on Mars, Titan, and exoplanets fuels our curiosity and imagination. The search for life beyond Earth is a testament to human ingenuity and our enduring quest to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos.